Hello, my friend, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm participating in an Instagram collaboration hosted by Skull Lover Nails. It's Wintery Witchcraft and Wizardry as our theme. Here we go. I've got Painted Desert medium square natural tips on, and I've got the sticky base already on them. Here is Stella Chroma Severus, please. Oh my goodness. Watch when I turn that bottle. Blue, green. Oh my gosh. So pretty. So we're going to get this base color down on these tips. So, and you know, I say it all the time, but some polishes just don't get justice on this camera. Excuse me, I think I got the hiccups. You can see a little bit, but not 100%. I'm going to wiggle it around. I'm going to top them with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I was hoping maybe with moving it around a little bit, top coating and, you know, whatever, maybe you get a little bit of the bling that's jumping out of there. Oh, it's so pretty. You got the blue and the green. I'll be using Maniology M312. I guess a lot of people are calling this like the Ouija board plate, but it just spoke to me today. I'll be using Bases Loaded lacquer on the black and Shutout. I'm going to do some double stamping. Got my H. La Cosador scraper and a Maniology cube stamper out today. So we're going to roll through and stamp all the white images first, and then clean the plate and, you know, go back at it with the black on top. And I just was so excited about this. And to be honest with you, I could do like a whole bunch of manicures under this theme. I mean, my mind was racing because it was so many ideas. So you might end up seeing some more manis come out of me, even though they're not going to be part of the collab. They'll still be shared here on my channel. So I'm just moving around this plate, and I'm picking, I actually kind of already had images picked out in my head. I was like, I'm going to use this, I'm going to use that. And I actually have other plates that have stuff on it that would have been great for this one. But here we are. We're just jumping right on in there. Got the moon and the sun. And then this image just was really cute. I was really excited to be a part of this one. Like I said, I could do so many more manicures under this same theme. Just really kind of gets my juices flowing, you know. Just, oh, love it. Like I said, we're going to do all these white images first and then go back over them. And this one here is just really unique, cute. It's, you know, like the eye, and then it's got the moon and the, it's just cute. I don't know how else to describe it, but other than cute. Got the moons. Here we go with another cute, it's just a cute plate. I mean, just, it was really hard to pick just 5. This is when I wish I painted, you know, both hands with the same thing. And then, you know, I would have had 10 that I could have used. So there we go. I am going to put these on my fingernails, by the way, and take pictures. So I'm cleaning that plate up with some acetone. Just kind of quick wipe down, you know, get it cleaned up so we can do the next. I don't know why I felt the need to break out that lint-free white, or, you know, that lint-free, but whatever. Because I really didn't do a very good job of it anyway. So here we go. We're going to be double stamping now. And for this, I have to really concentrate, like, really hard. You guys know, lining up is not really, like, a strong point of mine. But I'm trying really, really hard. There we go. I think I did good. Yay! Alright, so now for the moon one, the other side. Da-da. Here we go, here we go. Getting low on that bottle of black. We're going to have to break out another backup bottle. Oh, so pretty. Alright, so let's see if we can line this one up too. So that's those two. First I did my thumb, and now this is my ring finger. Oh, I actually did pretty good on that one too. Yay, Tina! I can't wait to see all the other manicures. I'm so excited to see what everybody else has done. I should have a hashtag and a list of participants down below for you to go check out. Give them some, show them some love. Here we go. Alright, I had to turn it around. It was upside down. And there we go. We have contact. Very nice. And then the next one. Bloop. Picking that stuff up. Alright. This is such a cool image. Love that one. It's like a moon dream catcher. And we go for the pinky nail. I do use a piece of tape to get up any excess off the stamper that I don't want on my nails or my skin, or, you know, however I'm doing it. That's just, I always clean the images up with a piece of tape. Alright, let's try to get that on there. Pretty good. I did good on this one, y'all. I'm so proud. And now I'm going to give that plate a good cleaning. Clean it up all over. Wipe it with a lint-free wipe. And then clean up my little mat here. Get everything all clean. There we go. Good job. And the big mat. I'm going to top these with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. Ooh, this camera's acting funky. Come on, there we go. I'm going to top them with the smudge-free first. And then we will put our final top coat on them. This top coat's starting to get close to the bottom. It's getting a little stringy, but it's going to work for today. And then today I'm using Seche Vite as my final top coat. And I'm just so happy with this one. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Ta-da! And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed them. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.